Yeah,
I'm hiding between wagons. They'll never see me through these wagon wheels.
Oh, cultists, they can't be.
I'm gonna hide in this bush. Can't see me at all. Do I have to get out? Oh.
Sir, do you not see our Reaper flag?
You have no idea what you've run into.
What the heck?
Oh no!
You guys.
Oh shit!
Oh, so sad. Somebody got pushed into a train. Welcome.
Are we trying to get struck by lightning?
Oh!
Oh my god.
Yes. If I can stay on this horse.
Everyone's crashing against the same guy.
He's just standing there. I think I've just been a PC
Yeah.
gamer for so long in my
Yeah.
life that I...
Oh my god, Neto's dragging your dead body.
Yeah, same.
I have to use, like, definitely keyboard for Overwatch. That's...
God.
But this game just doesn't
Why?
work with my brain.
Are you
Oh
trying-
shit! Oh shit!
He said I earned my place in judgment. Sir, this is not the thing that earned me a place
Wow.
in judgment. This guy is walking into something that he does not understand.
Go home, son.
You knocked it over.
He just sat down on the ground.
Stay back, I say.
We'll go
I can do
away.
the. I can do
Oh,
the.
I'm Shanna. Oh, you-
Did he die? No,
Oh,
he died!
no.
I mean, oh, this dude's on fire.
Oh my god, drop it!
Oh, I'm on fire. Oh no.
Stop, jump, and roll!
I mean, oh, this dude's on fire.
Oh my god, drop him! You're on fire!
Oh no.
I traumatized myself earlier. I put a bunch of dudes in a pile and then I used the machine gun. Oh!
Did you just
I
get
got
kicked? I got that.
I put a bunch of dudes in a pile and then I used the machine gun. Oh!
We have the wagon we're supposed to deliver and 2 stolen wagons.
Like,
There's another wagon coming, 2 more wagons coming behind you guys.
can we get like a bonus?
The freaking traffic jam after rush hour at the Pony Express.
Alright, you got it. You just took a big running jump.
Dude, you spawned right here.
Oh.
Oh, I spiraled and everything.